Hit the wire.
Where you grind it out?
Low.
Good. All right, now it's starting to get low. Nice and tight.
Push through, push through.
Watch your heel. Good, you're good. You're good. Keep them feet low, ankles.
Push through.
You got this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
You got it. Cleared it, let's go.
There you go.
Come on.
Hey,
Got this, got this.
hey, stay low. Hey. No good, stay low. Keep on staying low.
Push through, push through.
Stretch. Stay low. Get butt
Stay
down.
low, stay low.
Good job. Come on. Hey. I got a fat foot.
Yeah.
Hey.
Push through, push through.
Stay low.
Get that butt low.
Hey. Stay low. Stay low.
You're good.
There you go. Come on. On to the next one.
Good job.
Go, B, way to go, let's go. Swing a leg.
Yo, you're jumping to the log. You want to jump past the log. Come on. Come on. Jump past it. Come on. There it is.
There you go, swing your leg. There you go, there you go.
There.
Yep, yep.
You're there. You're there. Boom. Come on. All the way. There you go. Stay on the gravel. Good.
Go, go.
All right. Keep that butt low now.
Go,
It's starting to
go.
get tight. Keep
Get
that butt
up.
low.
Sit on it. Go.
Terminated, I'll let you know, hey, just swing. I'm going to lower you back to the ground. That'll be one of your times. As long as you maintain your grip on this actual ball, you maintain connection, and I don't have to support your weight, then it's still a valid attempt. You're good to continue. Cool? All right, any questions?
Bracket Tevin?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Making sure. I knew it was
Did
going
I get that right?
Go. Come on, Steiner.
Come on, Steiner, you got this. Keep going.
You got
One at a time.
Come on. Well, I don't Hey.
All right, well done.
Not great. Looks like you're at least halfway through one.
I just said, unironically, I just said,
Got this.
Yeah.
Come on, Ruiz. Let's go.
Time will not stop. You'd be surprised if you send up 400 pounds and I still got you. You'll see the knots up there, trust me.
Let's talk bellies.
Wait, say it again. Bayous.
Bellies? Okay. You ready?
All right.
You ready? Yeah. Set. Begin.
Juice. Fast.
As Captain Wolf said, this is a combined time event with the obstacle course, so this is designed for the penalty to hurt you more on the back end.